Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I'm filming this on New Year's Eve 2021 because I've got something to show you that's just been delivered by Mr. Postman. Something that's vacuum cleaner related but might be more of an interest to the younger vacuum enthusiasts. And they're all related to the very, very popular Henry and Hetty vacuum cleaners. I believe George and some other cleaners also make an appearance in what I'm going to show you. The first item I'm going to show you is a jigsaw puzzle. This is Henry and Hetty having fun in the snow. This jigsaw puzzle has 200 pieces. It's suitable for children 4 and up, or adults, but 0 to 3 there's a little sad face, and the actual finished puzzle is 50 by 38 centimeters, so it's quite a nice large puzzle. Ideal, something to do on a rainy day if you've got a young Henry or Hetty fan, or any child or anyone who likes pneumatic vacuum cleaners might like to do this puzzle. There's another puzzle I got as well. This is Henry and Hetty having fun at the fair. Another 200 piece puzzle. I assume it's the same size. Yes, 50 by 38, ages 4 and up. As well as the jigsaws, I bought a pile of books from the charity Autism South East, and I'll put a link below this video so you can click on their website and purchase the books or jigsaws for yourself if you want them. The books are £3 each and the jigsaws are £6 each plus postage and packing. I don't know if they ship outside the UK. If there's no international postage offered on the website, you could contact them and see if they will ship outside the UK for an additional postage charge. And of course, I'm not affiliated with Autism South East. I'm not going to get anything for showing you these, but I thought a lot of my viewers would be quite interested in getting some or all of these books. Okay, I'll quickly flip through the books. I bought everything they sell, so I bought all the books and I bought the 2 jigsaws on offer. This is the first book, and it's called The Henry Adventures Book 1, and we can see Henry there with a crown, and I think this book is Henry visiting London. I'll just show you a few of the pictures. Very lovely books here. Henry goes to London, look. Excellent illustrations. Fantastic story for you to read your young vacuum fans, or for them to read themselves when they get a bit older. We've got George there. So that's book 1. Here's another one. Book 2. Where's Henry going in book 2? Oh, he's returning a diamond. So obviously it's a story that carries on. I've not read these myself, I've just got them. So it follows on from the first book. Again, absolutely fantastic pictures, very colourful, very nice books, nice quality books. £3 for each of these books. I think that's good value. Here's book 3 of the Henry Adventures. Henry Saves the Day. And again, we've got lots of pictures here with Henry getting up to all sorts. I won't spoil it by telling you what happens in the end, but absolutely fantastic. Look at all the pneumatic family on the back there. Right, in no particular order, I've got these square-shaped books now. So these are later books. This would have been ideal for the Christmas stocking. Bit late now, but you can always buy it for next year. Henry and Hetty's Christmas Adventure. So slightly bigger books, bigger illustrations. Delightful child-friendly story, all about Christmas. Next one, Henry and Hetty's Egyptian Adventure, where I assume they visit Egypt and discover something going on in Egypt, in the pyramids, so giving a bit of a history lesson. There's an archaeologist there by the looks of him. Lot of cobwebs in this picture. I wonder if Henry and Hetty are going to be vacuuming those up. Hopefully. There we go. Pyramid Weekly. I'm looking at this back to front on my viewfinder, so it's bit hard to see. There we go, Henry and Hetty's Egyptian Adventure. Henry and Hetty's Deep Sea Adventure. Obviously the real Henry and Hetty can't go underwater. Of course there is a Henry Wet and Dry and Charles and George that can pick up water, but don't put them underwater, will you? Because they don't like it. They like a wipe from time to time, but they don't like to be submerged in water. But obviously they've gone into a little mini submarine there to explore the oceans. So there we go, there's that one. And then from the oceans we go into space, look. Wow. Going up in a rocket there. I'm trying to show you without the light getting in the way. My video won't do these books justice. They are very, very well illustrated. Fantastic stories and absolutely ideal for young vacuum cleaner fans. I have got a book, I've shown it a long time ago on my channel. There was a book for my age, well, years and years ago when I was little. I got a book called The Penguin and the Vacuum Cleaner. But we didn't have all these books. This is fantastic. There's still quite a few to show you. Henry and Hetty's Treasure Adventure. They get about, don't they, Henry and Hetty? Look, they go everywhere. Fantastic. Again, looks lovely, lovely illustrations. There's the back of the book. And now they're having a dinosaur adventure. So if you're a young vacuum cleaner fan also likes dinosaurs, what better book to get them than a book that combines vacuum cleaners and dinosaurs? I mean, where else would you get a book that combines vacuums and dinosaurs? Absolutely fantastic. Look at this, these pictures are absolutely brilliant. I'll just tell you who actually drew these pictures. I think it's the same person. This is book 6, by the way. I could have done these in order. The books are written and illustrated by a lady called Amy Rowe. So she's written the story and drawn the pictures. And here we have Henry and Hetty Dragon Adventure. There's so many different scenarios you could have Henry and Hetty in, couldn't you? I mean, absolutely brilliant. Really lovely little books. 2 more. Henry and Hetty's Winter Adventure. That's good for January if we get some snow, if your children go sledging. There's some nice animals here. Oh, Henry and Hetty up in a cable car. Look at these, absolutely. I'm going to read all these myself. Obviously I'm far too old, but absolutely fantastic. And finally, the last book is Henry and Hetty's Winter Sports Adventure. And looks like they've won 2 gold medals. So they have a gold medal for cleaning, but perhaps they've got a gold medal for skiing as well. I wonder if they go skiing later on. Or tobogganing. Ah, there they are in a toboggan. We see George there. Can you see George? In front of the Christmas tree. And they have some winter games, or lots of different winter games. Ice hockey as well there, look. Absolutely fantastic. Henry and Hetty's Winter Sports Adventure. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing these books and jigsaw puzzles. 2 puzzles and 12 books. If you buy all of these, that's going to keep your vacuum obsessed child very happy for many, many weeks. You could read them a book a night for 12 nights, I suppose. And then they've got the jigsaws to assemble in the morning. I mean, 200 pieces, it'll probably take a younger child quite a while to complete that. So absolutely fantastic. I thought I'd show you them because as I said, I didn't know you could buy these direct from a particular shop, or in this case a charity. So I'm sure some of the profits, if there is any, that will go towards the Autism South East charity. But well worth getting. I'm sure a lot of you have got these books already, but some of you may not have been aware that you can buy Henry and Hetty books and jigsaws and other things as well. Absolutely fantastic. So link below the video if you want to check out the Autism South East website. and bag yourself some of these books and puzzles. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon for another vacuum cleaner video, and a happy new year to all of you. Bye for now.